Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today I would like to discuss about the best strategy for your upcoming entrance examination for UG and specifically for your dream university, that is Benares Hindu University. First let me tell you one thing, that is you should be focused on your dream university and also on your dream rather, because if you did not have the focus for qualifying the examination, then you cannot do it. Okay, so this is the one and only best strategy, yes, for clearing your examination. So there are, besides this strategy, the other important strategies for qualifying BHU entrance examination are: the first is small target for each day. When you are wake up and then start your day with your small targets. Specifically, suppose you are appearing for PCB like physics, chemistry and biology, right? So in that case, just divide your whole day into some small times, like for 2 hours you are giving for biology subjects and for 1.5 hour you are giving for chemistry, and if you are appearing for PCM, then you are giving more time for your mathematics. Okay, so this is your small target for the whole day, and if you are comfortable, then make a chart and then just write it down, the whole day timetable or the whole day preparation timing. Okay, then it will be more helpful and more beneficial to all of you to fulfill your target. So make small target. Some of you have that type of trouble that they can't fulfill the whole timetable, they can't fulfill the whole study routine because they are giving them more trouble, more problems, because they can create a huge timetable. They can create the study routine like for 12 hours, for 14 hours, for 15 hours, and after all, at the end of the day, when they cannot fulfill or they cannot be able to make the routine, then they will be depressed. So don't do it. Just make your target a very small, very small. Just give 1 hour, 2 hour for each subject on each day and then make it done. Okay, so this is your first strategy. So the next strategy is start with easy chapter, very easy chapter. Like in case of biology, you can start your preparation with cell division and genetics part. In case of class 12, that is very much easy and also conceptual. So if you want to take some challenges for your tough chapter, for achieve your tough chapter, then start with the easy chapter on each day. It will give you more confidence, more power to achieve your goal. Okay, because some of the students have some fear about some chapters, like according to me, like the plant physiology is very much boring or tough for some students. Okay, not for all, but for some students. So don't go for it at the initial stage. Just do it with your easy and also the chapter which you want to or which you love to read. Okay, so the next point is the previous year question solve. Previous year, like in case of the BHU, that is the Benares Hindu University entrance examination, previous year question solve is the ultimate thing, because many repetition occurred in the entrance examination. So just take any of the examination pattern, or just take any of the question pattern from the previous year and just solve it, and please solve it with time. Okay, like if you have in which entrance examination you are appearing, just know about the timing. Okay, and then just go with the time, because time is very much important. Some of the students have that of lacking, because they cannot finish the examination due to timing. Okay, so time is important. Just practice the previous year question. And the second thing, because to solve the previous year question, is to know the question pattern. Some entrance examinations are based on conceptual theme and some also based on the informative mode. So just go on to analyze the examination pattern, the question pattern, and just solve the paper. And the third thing which you have to remember, that is when you are reading like the cell chapter or you are reading the digestive system, just solve the part or solve the chapter from the previous year question in which examination you are appearing. Okay, so this is very much helpful, because you are reading, just reading, this is not going to be helpful for you, because if you do not practice the previous year question, because on that day, on that particular examination day, you have to face the question paper, right? So if you did not face it previously, then it will be it gonna be very much fear, or it gonna be very much uncomfortable to any of the students. Okay, so just follow previous year question, just follow the previous year question pattern, analyze the question and read thoroughly. Next is the give more strength on the informative part. In case of BHU, either you are appearing for PCB or PCM, there are some similarities is occurring in case of the informative question pattern. They are focusing, or they are based on many more on informative part. Let me give you one example. Like in case of plant physiology, you are prepared the, suppose the light reaction and the dark reaction of photosynthesis, but in that case, in the light reaction, the from the jet scheme, like the jet scheme, like the PS1, PS2, from that part the question will be come, because on that part, that will be the informative part. And in case of BHU, we have seen that there are many informative questions will be come. And also the animal kingdom, plant kingdom, in case of biology, is very important for BHU examination. So if you analyze the question paper, then you can get it. Okay, so the third point and the fourth point is much more important for your upcoming test preparation. So this is it about the strategies. According to me, these are the best strategies for you to achieve your goal to be in BHU in next 2 months. Okay, so just prepare yourself. And the last thing I have to say, don't be stressed, don't be depressed about your results of boards, about your other thing. Just focus on the exam, and definitely you can qualify the examination very happily. And the last thing, enjoy your preparation time. Okay, so this is it about today's video. Hope you can like it, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself and also your family. Bye bye.